Hello, Python Web Conference 2022. I am joined today by another fellow Amazon Web Services hero, Jayesh. I'm super excited to have you with us for the conference this year. Can you give folks a quick introduction to yourself?
I'm Jayesh Ahire, and currently I work as a product manager at Last9. I run the complete product function, and we are building a reliability platform at Last. Apart from that, as Calvin mentioned, I'm one of the AWS machine learning heroes, and I specifically these days work around observability, reliability side of things.
You're going to be one of our speakers this year. Can you give folks a little teaser for what they can expect to hear from your talk?
In my talk, I will be talking about a journey towards reliability. We all have been building software from quite some time now. As we move forward in the journey of building software, the software has been getting complicated over the period of time. And observing that is becoming little easier, but maintaining the reliability of software is getting harder day by day as we are introducing more complex architectures, more components to a software. So in my talk, we will be seeing a demo of a Python application.
You're going to be joining us for the conference during the week of 21st to 25th. What are you looking forward to during Python Web Conf for yourself?
It's always exciting to join, to look forward to new talks. And I'm specifically looking forward to some of the machine learning talks we have. Then I saw some of the systems talks as well, like talking about cloud natives, talking about systems and building them. So really looking forward to talking to more people, interacting with speakers and over the conference with you as well, Calvin.
Yeah, and I will look forward to interacting with you as well. Thanks so much again for being with us for the Python Web Conference, and we'll see you all in just a couple weeks.